What is up, guys? Brit Tech here, back with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you how to enable mirror front camera on iPhone 12 or any iPhone using iOS 14. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. Okay, guys, so have you ever wondered why when you take a picture using your front facing camera, the selfie camera, that sometimes when you look at the picture, it looks like you're on the opposite side, kind of like the picture was flipped around? Well, that is because you do not have mirror front camera enabled. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do that so that your picture comes out exactly how you want it to. So go ahead and open up your settings. And then we're going to scroll all the way down to camera. And then we're going to go ahead and select it. Now go ahead and go to mirror front camera and enable that. You just tap that toggle on, make sure the green is showing. That way it is enabled. And that's how you do it, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.
Listen.